Hi there, welcome back to my channel BDC Mobic in the Philippines, and I'm Pinoy Mobiker. Once again, my videos are not for investment or financial advice. I'm just sharing the potential and the opportunity that BDC Mobic presents. And personally, I'm fascinated by the BDC Mobic's phenomenon, so I'm sharing them to others. Yes, so 안녕하세요 to Korean Mobikers and to PR team. Once again, thank you for the t-shirts. Pinoy Mobikers 모임 아직 못해서 그래서 제가 혼자 한번 입어봤어요. 네, 자랑하려고요. 네, 감사합니다. 응원과 목 주셔서 너무 감사합니다. 네, 진심으로 감사합니다. 네, 저에겐 지금 음, 튼튼한 느낌이 납니다. 네, 감사합니다. And today's video, I'm appraising BDC Mobic and where it is originated in. So stay tuned. Hi again. Before I start my video, please excuse dog barks and some birds singing around me because I'm in an open area. Yeah, I'm not in a forest, but yes, I could say in an isolated place. Yes, yeah, my house in is in isolated area. So some bamboo trees surrounded me here. So you can hear some noise from birds, dogs, and the air. Yeah. So, yes. So, once again, what is BTC Mobic? BTC Mobic is a proof of work cryptocurrency forked from Bitcoin. Yeah. So, it is recreated Bitcoin's currency phenomenon. Yeah. So, founded by Professor Temin O. So, who is Professor Temin O? Professor Tamin O is considered considered as one of Bitcoin experts in South Korea, and he is, I could say, he is really a brilliant person. He has unique ideas, and the greatest innovation ng BTC Mobic is ang public goods. So Professor Tamin O is giving coins freely as a part of public goods. So to those who haven't seen my videos, BTC Mobic airdrop story, please check that video out. Makikita nyo po yung story ng airdrop ni Professor Temin O. Yes, so airdrop, giving coins freely as part of the public goods. ID company, media company, JTBC, energy company, universities. So, ayan po yung mga targets po ng BTC Mobic. Yes. So, uh, and I could say yung highlight po ng BTC Mobic sa ngayon is yung Tudak-Tudak project po. Yes. So, what is Tudak-Tudak project? So, may mga videos din po ako about Tudak-Tudak project, how to join or how to apply or register sa Tudak-Tudak project. Itutuloy ko po yan dun sa part po ng video nito about Tudak-Tudak project. Yes. So, that is Professor Temin O, the founder of BTC Mobic. And mapapanood po natin si Professor Temin O. We can watch him on JTBC, one of the best broadcasting channels sa South Korea. And the name of the program is China는 Class. So if you translate that in English, it's like big questions for different class. And so here on this program, Professor Temin O is answering some questions about Bitcoin. So kung may mga katanungan yung mga interviewers or yung mga kasama niya dyan sa video, he's going to answer the questions. Yes. So on this picture, they were talking about yung first transaction ng Bitcoin. And yeah, Professor Temin O shared them that a young man named Jeremy received 10,000 Bitcoin and used 30,000 won, 30,000 won, uh, to deliver two pizzas. Ayan. So, well, yung nagbigay ng 10,000 Bitcoin, I believe he has a lot of Bitcoins. So, he paid 10,000 Bitcoins for just for two pizzas. Yeah, so he mined Bitcoin from the beginning. Ayan. So, um, guess what happened to Jeremy? Yeah, so at that time, binenta niya po yung Bitcoin niya, and he traveled to the US. Yes. So sa ngayon po, sa tingin niyo, do you think Jeremy, the young man, before 19 years old and now he's 30 years old, don't you think he is regretting to what he has done? Na binenta niya po yung coins niya, and now the price is, yung price ngayon napakataas na po ng Bitcoin. Yes, and binenta niya po yung Bitcoin niya noon, to travel to the US. Yeah, so I think there's a moral here, or there's a lesson here on this video about the young man Jeremy. I think investors should think long term investing. I believe so. Kasi kung i-compare mo yung price nung binenta ni Jeremy, yung price ng Bitcoin nun at saka yung Bitcoin ngayon, ang laki po ng differences, I believe. Yes. So, para po sa mga investors na, yan, na katulad ko, mga kababayan ko dyan, think long-term investing po. Hindi po yung short term. Yeah. So there's a lesson from that, and they were also talking about Bitcoin used, um, transactions ng mga drug, yung nagtitrade ng drugs and firearms. Yan. So, Professor Temin O is advising to those people who are planning to use Bitcoin sa trading drugs or firearms sa Bitcoin, better not use Bitcoin. Dahil ang Bitcoin po ay transparent po siya. Yes, so mapoprosecute po talaga yung mga gagawa ng mga ganong klaseng trabaho sa Bitcoin. Yes. So ayan. So I'm so proud of Professor Temin O. Now he's on TV, uh, lecturing, sharing about Bitcoin. Nomu Moshi style, Professor Temino. Nang. And now I'll continue Tudak about project. Ang I have videos about Tudak project, step 1 to step, yung steps para maka-avail or maka-join sa project na ito, ang mga mommies to those will give birth. So this project is for you. Uh, Please feel free to contact the Tudak project team. I'm gonna attach also here on this video kung saan nyo pwedeng kontakin, at please watch also sa mga becoming mommies or mommies na will give birth. This blessing is for you. This blessing is for your kids. Yeah, it's their first savings for their future. Yeah. So yeah. So that's the Tudak project. Well, it's spreading. Tudak project is spreading. Sa last na video ko, about Tudak, merong mga advertisement sa buses, sa terminals, like subway stations, and some of Mobikers um, they are advertising Tudak through, they joined the marathon, and now I'm gonna share. walking Mobikers Tudak. Ayan. So this festival, walking festival, is held sa Pusan Diamond. So a group of Mobikers extend their dedication again to Tudak project. They join a walking festival. They're wearing this T-shirt and holding some Tudak banners and balloons. I could say how amazing these Mobikers are. Two thumbs up to you guys. I hope we have also kind of festivals like that here in the Philippines. So we can also advertise Mobic to others. Well, Tudak project is not, it's not for, it's not globally. So I'm not sure if we can advertise that here in the Philippines. Yes, I wish. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, and so these Mobikers, they are unstoppable. They join force for their dedication to BDC Mobic. Yes, amazing Mobikers. There you go. I'm gonna share a short video about Bitcoin and the investors. I think this is
Roosevelt
like we need
renounced his
this
U.S.
knowledge
citizenship in
about Bitcoin. So
2014,
please
but that
listen
didn't
to this
deter the
video.
IRS from pursuing him. They are after him due to his
And
purported
like we
ownership of
need
hundreds of
this
thousands of
knowledge about
bitcoins.
Bitcoin.
While
So
Roger
please
won't back down
listen to this
easily,
video.
neither will the IRS. Some countries have started
And like
taxing
we
crypto
need this
investments,
knowledge about
and if yours
Bitcoin. So
hasn't,
please
it likely
listen to
will
this
in the near
video.
future. Their aim? To steer people towards centralized
And
exchanges,
like we need
allowing
this
them to
knowledge
monitor
about Bitcoin.
individuals'
So
Bitcoin
please
holdings
listen
closely.
to this video.
As more people deposit their Bitcoins in such exchanges, governments
And
inch
like we
closer to
need this
exerting
knowledge
control
about
over Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. So please
This
listen to
isn't
this
what Satoshi
video.
Nakamoto and the cypherpunks envisioned, but it seems inevitable.
And like we
So,
need
what's your
this
move?
knowledge about
Hand over
Bitcoin.
your
So
reins on
please
Bitcoins to the
listen to
IRS
this
willingly?
video.
No, you can fight back. You can actually slow the tide.
And like we need this knowledge about
If you have
Bitcoin. So
Bitcoins with no
please
digital
listen
footprint,
to this
there's no need to
video.
disclose your holdings to anyone. Your Bitcoins might even appreciate twofold
And
compared to
like
those
we
on
need
centralized
this
exchanges in
knowledge
a
about
decade,
Bitcoin.
as
So
numerous
please
Chinese millionaires
listen
vie
to
to
this
acquire them.
video.
What about BTC Mobic?
And like we
Apart from
need
wallets
this
belonging to
knowledge
the
about
project team
Bitcoin.
and
So
wallets
please
that are locked up,
listen to this
nobody
video.
knows who owns how much. Since it's not listed on any exchanges, there's
And
no way
like
to
we
ascertain
need this
ownership.
knowledge about Bitcoin. So
It
please
trades peer to peer
listen to this
via paper and
video.
digital wallets, making tracing transactions almost impossible.
And like we need this
Paying
knowledge
taxes
about
and being a
Bitcoin.
responsible
So
citizen?
please listen to this
Absolutely.
video.
But you also need a shield to protect yourself when your own government comes after you
And
with double
like we
taxation.
need this knowledge about Bitcoin.
Arm
So
yourself
please
with paper wallets
listen to
and
this
observe
video.
how your government handles crypto assets left in exchanges wallets over the next 10 years.
And like we
You
need
might just
this
thank me later.
knowledge about Bitcoin. So please listen to
Charles
this
Hoskinson believes
video.
that Rogers' arrest has something to do with the recent IRS look through that Binance had.
And like we need
Think
this
twice
knowledge about
before using a
Bitcoin.
centralized
So please
exchanges.
listen to this
Stay tuned
video.
and stay excited.
And there you go. Um, the community of BDC Mobic is really it's growing so strong. Joining first, joining force. They're supporting each other for the ecosystem of BDC Mobic, and it's I could say they are successful to their hard work. So there you go. And there you go. Um, And here, another cool paper wallet sa Pop Art Instadong. It's still ongoing. It's still ongoing. So to those who are in Korea, join these events. Join these events. Pop Art Instadong cool paper wallets. Guys, you guys in Korea are really blessed because you are there compared to us here na nasa Pilipinas. We wish we were there to join this kind of events. So you guys are blessed, nandyan kayo sa Korea. So join the event in Sadong, Pop Art in Sadong, and receive Mobake. Yes. Well, I think you have to line up early in the morning para maka-join kayo. I think may cut-off po sila. Yes. Okay. And there you go, BDC Mobic application, mobile application. You can see BDC Mobic and Mobic Mania. As you can see there, Mobic Mania is still exclusive for Koreans. Yeah, so I'm sorry to say that non-Koreans can't, yeah, you're not allowed to use this application. Yeah. So join the group, the global Mobicers, on what no, Telegram. Yeah. Telegram. We have the group there, BTC Mobic, Global BTC Mobicers. We have the group there on Telegram. Well, we are also updating some events, progress updates about Mobic or the rate on that group. Yes, so it is a Mobic Mania. And there's a new market called Kobugi Bojan. So this is turtle version in English if you translate that. Bojan. So turtle version, it's a new Mobic market. So here is not an application. I think you just register on the internet, and I'm sorry to say again that when you are going to register here, you will need your I believe your cell phone number. So this it's still exclusive to Koreans. Yes. So that's it for today. The weather here in the Philippines is hot right now, but few days ago there were rains and little strong wind. Yes. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Sarangamida.